Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file your own bankruptcy. First, you need to decide between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 based on your income and assets. Before filing, you must complete a credit counseling course from an approved agency. Then, meticulously gather all your financial records, including pay stubs, bank statements, and debt collection notices. This preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Next, you'll prepare your bankruptcy petition. This involves filling out numerous official forms, such as the petition, schedules, and statement of financial affairs. Be extremely thorough and accurate when listing all your assets, debts, income, and expenses. Double-check that you've included all required documents, like Form 101, to avoid delays or rejections from the court. Precision here is key. Once your petition is complete, file it with the bankruptcy court. You'll pay a filing fee or apply for a waiver if eligible. A crucial step is attending the meeting of creditors, or 341 meeting, where a trustee will ask questions under oath about your finances. Be prepared to provide any additional documents or information the trustee requests to clarify your situation. After your 341 meeting, you must complete a debtor education course. Continue to cooperate fully with your trustee, providing any further information they need. If all requirements are met, the court will issue a discharge order, legally releasing you from most of your debts. This final step provides a fresh financial start, allowing you to rebuild your credit and financial future.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.